Hello again, Taste Testers Club. I am making baked potato soup today, and we've tried Paula Deen's soup, her crock pot potato soup, and it just doesn't hold a candle to this baked potato soup. Whatever Tammy from All Recipes did, it's just amazing. It has big, thick chunks of potato. I make the actual bacon. She calls for bacon bits, but I just cook up some bacon and throw it in there. It's delicious. You'll have to excuse my messy kitchen. I've got my meal planning and my groceries over there, and I love fridge magnets. I'm a sucker for a good fridge magnet. But let me turn my camera around and show you. I have to use my big spaghetti pot because the thick chunks of potatoes my other pots are just too small. So hold on. So here's Tammy's recipe from All Recipes, printed out in 2007. So I guess it was a lot older than I thought, but it is delicious. It is a very thick soup, and I have to use my tall spaghetti pot because I just can't stir all of these big, nice chunks of potatoes and bacon. Her recipe calls for bacon bits, but I make real bacon. I'm just about to add the sour cream. Check out these big, thick chunks of potatoes. Some cheese in there, some sour cream, green onions, and then I'll top it with the greens. And it's delicious. But see these big chunks of potatoes? Oh, nothing like a good soup on a cold and windy day.